So I wanted to make a quick video on the installation of the LED roundel running light and turn signal light. I bought the two-color blue running light and amber turn signal from the Schroeder website, and it took me about an hour and a half. I just removed this panel and took a hair dryer, heated up the adhesive on the roundel BMW logo, and pushed from the back side, pushed those off. Comes with adhesive. After you mount the turn signal, you put the adhesive back and make sure you have your BMW logo on top. But this is a 2007 model year R1200RT BMW. So it was easy to run the wires, just in case somebody at home has an RT and wants to know how to do this. Let me just take a quick tug on the mirror. I don't know if people realize the mirrors, the mirrors just have a 3 ball sockets that push into those 3 rubber grommets. So rear view mirror snaps off. Makes it real easy. Just route your wires up, and I used a little quick adapter. I put the common ground wire on the brown turn signal wire. Then I used the other adapter. It's kind of hard to see right back in there. You can see the other adapter goes to the blue turn signal wire. So I have my red wire from the LED indicator coming to the blue turn signal. The black common wire comes to the brown turn signal. I did that on both sides, obviously for the right hand side, the left hand side. And then I did a quick, the blue wire for the retained accessory power. My particular bike does not have the sat nav plugged in. So I cut the wire tie and pulled that wire loose, and then I spliced the blue running light wire into the retained accessory power wire off of the sat nav plug, and that still allows me, if I ever want to install sat nav, I can still use that plug-in. I did not alter that plug-in at all. So let me just demonstrate for you quickly. Let's do this. Shut the light off in the garage, and I'll demonstrate. So now I have a blue, kind of matching my blue paint scheme. The Givi top case lights, but blue running light. Obviously that alternates blue to amber and corresponds with the turn signal. And of course this side stays blue on the running light until you use the opposite signal. Left-hand signal would make this side work. And of course the 4-way flashers work the same, but it also is now connected into the retained accessory power. So those running lights will stay on, I don't know, 45 to 60 seconds, whatever your retained accessory power is set at. You can see the blue lights are on. And the Givi top case lights are also wired into that retained accessory power. I think I said it, checked it with a timer. It's about 45 or maybe 60 seconds, but pretty easy install. So don't be afraid to try it at home. Follow the instructions carefully on removing the roundel, gluing on the new roundel, and securing with 2 screws in the proper position the LED light to the side panel. just removing the two side panels, and I did remove the plastic panel. There, they went out. I did remove the plastic panel that covers the instrument cluster. 2 screws here, 2 screws on top, and 2 on that side. 1 underneath when the side panel's off. Makes it a little easier to access. You can see the blue wires tucked up under there that are, those 2 blue wires feed the LED running light on each side. So I recommend it. I put a set on my Adventure last year. Really like them, and I think that'll finish a nice complete look on my 2007 R1200RT with only 7,000 actual miles, guys. It's really low miles. This is my beater over here that has about 48,000. But for a 2007, extremely low miles. So get you set, dress up your BMW, and enjoy. Thank you.